Imagine finishing a software project in half the time. Imagine writing a less code, finding bugs before users do, generating documentations automatically, and deploying the applications with just a few prompts. Sound futuristic? It is already happening. AI is not replacing software engineers. It is becoming the most powerful teammates. Every developer, tester, DevOps engineers, businesses, analysts, architects, and project managers can have. In this video, I'll show you how AI enhance every phase of a software development lifecycle. The tools companies are using today, and the skills you need to stay ahead in your career. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where AI fits in your daily work. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what is your current role? Developer, tester, DevOps engineer, business analyst, a student, or project manager. Welcome everyone. Software development has evolved tremendously from the manual coding to agile projects, DevOps, cloud native architectures, and now AI assisted engineering. Today we are exploring how artificial intelligence enhances every phase of a software development lifecycle, not by replacing people, but by helping teams delivering software faster, with a better quality and greater consistency. Whether you are just starting your career or already leading engineering teams, understanding AI-powered SDLC is becoming an essential skill. Why AI matters today then? Every software company is in the team facing the same challenges: build more features, deliver faster, improve quality, and reduce the cost. AI addresses these challenges by automating repetitive bugs, assisting decisions making, improving documentations, accelerating coding, and helping teams detect issues earlier. Instead of spending hours of a routine task, professionals can focus on solving the business's problems and building innovative solutions. AI is not simple about speed. It is about making a better engineering decisions. Which is the biggest challenge in your organizations? Slow development, many bugs, poor documentations, tight deadline. Comment below. AI across the SDLC. Many people think AI is only useful for writing the code. That is exactly one of the biggest misconceptions. AI adds value long before a coding begins and continues long after software is deployed. From gathering the requirement to planning, designing, developing, testing, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance, AI can support every stage of the life cycle. Think of AI as an intelligence assisted that is available throughout your software delivery process. Requirement gathering. Great software start with a clear requirements. Unfortunately, misunderstanding at this stage often become expensive problems later. AI can convert a meeting transcripts into a structured requirements, generate user stories, identify missing information, summarize stakeholder discussions, and improve documentation's quality. This enables businesses, analysts, and product owners to spend more time validating business value rather than the manually writing the documentations. So, have you ever worked on a project where unclear requirements cause delays? Type yes or no. Requirement benefits and tools. Popular AI assistants such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Cloud AI, Gemini, and Notion AI can significantly improve documentation's quality. They help organizations idea, create acceptance criteria, draft functional specifications, and summarize lengthy discussions. Better documentations lead for a fewer misunderstanding and a smoother collaborations between the team, business and engineering team. Next phase, planning. Once requirements are finalized, project planning begins. AI help estimate timelines, identify project risk, prioritize work, allocate resources, and analyze dependencies. Instead of relying only on historical experience, AI provided data-driven recommendations that improve the planning accuracy and reduce the project uncertainty. Planning benefits. Tools such as Jira AI, ClickUps AI, Monday AI, and Azure DevOps Copilot assist project managers with sprint planning, backlog, prioritizations, and forecasting. Better planning leads to better executions, and that is exactly where successful projects begin. Questions. Which project management tool your company use? Jira, Azure DevOps, ClickUp, Monday, or something else. System design. A system design is one of the most important phases because architectural decisions affect scalability, performance, security, high availability, and more. AI can recommend microservices, APIs, database structures, architectures patterns, and security best practices. It can also help generate technical documentations and accelerate architecture's review. Design benefits. Tools such as Draw IOAI and GitHub Copilot simplify architecture's documentations. Engineers can spend more time on validating business requirements and less time drawing the diagrams manually. AI spends up designing review while improving the consistency across the project. Development. This is the phase everyone talk about. AI assisted developments by generating a code, explaining the unfamiliar code base, fixing bugs, improving the documentation, and accelerating the onboarding. The goal is not replacing a developer, it is helping a developers work smarter and deliver higher quality software. Which coding assistants have you used? GitHub Copilot, Cursor, ChatGPT, Cloud, or not yet started? Development's benefits. GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Windsurf, Amazon Q Developer, and Cloud are becoming everyday tools for modern software engineers. The best developers are not those who avoid AI. They are the ones who know how to collaborate effectively with AI. Next phase, testing. Software quality depends on effective testing. AI helps generating unit test, regressions test, API test, UI automations, and edge case scenarios. This improved test coverage while reducing the manual testing effort and enabling the team endless defect detections. Testing benefit. AI-powered testing platform help QA engineers identify issues before the customer experience them. Higher automations means faster release and greater confidence in production script. What percentage of a testing is automated in your organizations? Just comment the number. Deployment. Deployment has evolved from the manual release to fully automated CI/CD pipelines. AI can generate a Docker file, Kubernetes manifest file, infrastructure as a code templates for Terraform, Ansible, and many more. Deployments workflow, rollback strategies, and release documentations. This reduces the error while accelerating a software delivery. So what is the development benefits? Modern engineering teams increasingly rely on the GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Azure DevOps, and Terraform together with a AI assistant. Faster deployments combined with a fewer production issues create a competitive advantage. Monitoring. Deploying software is not that in a finish line. Monitoring is where reliability is maintained. AI analyzes logs, detects anomalies, predicts incidents, performs root cause analysis, and help engineering teams respond before customer notice problems. Monitoring benefits. Platform like Datadog AI, Dynatrace, New Relics, Splunk AI, and Elastic AI provide the intelligence observability. Rather than reacting to the failure, organizations are moving toward predictive operations. Which monitoring platform do you currently using? Comment below. Maintenance. Maintenance represents a significant portion of a software cost. AI helps explaining legacy code, update documentations, recommend dependencies, upgrade, identify vulnerabilities, and simplify knowledge transfer. This expands the application's lifecycle, reducing the long-term maintenance effort. Enterprise AI platform. Enterprise organizations are building AI applications using platforms such as Azure AI, Google Vertex AI, Amazon Bedrock, OpenAI APIs, Hugging Face, LangChain, LangGraph, N8N, and MCP. Framework automate tools like N8N. This platform provides secure, scalable foundations for enterprise AI adaptations. So how organizations is going to benefit? Organizations implementing AI across the SDLC often see fast software delivery, improved code quality, better productivity, stronger documentations, lower operational cost, and better customer satisfaction. The exact results depend on the implementations, engineering practice, and organizational maturity. But the direction is clear. AI is becoming a core capability for software teams. If you are learning AI together with a cloud DevOps, software engineering, and automations, you are preparing for some of the fastest growing technology. Roles includes AI software engineer, DevOps engineer, QA automations engineer, cloud engineer, platform engineer, MLOps engineer, and solutions architect. The futures belong to professionals who combine engineering expertise with AI. Which role are you preparing for next? AI is not replacing the software development life cycle. It is making every phase smarter, faster, and more efficient. If you found this video valuable, don't stop here. At Eduarn, we provide industry-focused training in AI, cloud, DevOps, Kubernetes, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, Terraform, Ansible, MLOps, and many more. Our programs are designed for a student, working professionals, and corporate team with hands-on labs, real-world project certifications, guidance, and career opportunity. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comment, and subscribe for the weekly AI Cloud and DevOps content. Visit eduan.com to explore our latest courses and corporate training program. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep innovating with AI. Bye bye for now.